Do you want to play like this? What about this? Or something a little harder like this? Every guitarist, regardless of their level or style, should be familiar with the pentatonic scale. It holds an undeniable significance in music, making it crucial for every musician to understand its importance. Unfortunately, if you're not familiar with the scale yet, you may find yourself lagging behind in your musical journey. The pentatonic scale is absolutely essential. In fact, at least 90% of the solos that you like are rooted in the scale. I'm Rod Rodriguez, and if you are not a subscriber yet, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. Make sure you don't miss anything by watching the entire video. Like I said before, the pentatonic scale is super important in music. It doesn't matter what kind of songs you like, you will definitely find some cool parts that use this scale. You've probably heard in many popular songs by legends like Stevie Wonder, the Rolling Stones, or Metallica. The pentatonic scale has been a staple in many cultures, including Native American and Asian music. It's been around for centuries and has had a powerful impact on many different genres. To understand the pentatonic scale, let's first take a look at the diatonic major scale. The C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now, if we remove the F and B notes, we are left with the essential 5 notes of the pentatonic scale: C, D, E, G, and A. It's a 5-note scale. That's where the penta comes from. Start by playing the first shape all over the fretboard and explore different octaves. This will unlock a world of possibilities. You also can play the scale starting from different notes. By doing this, you will discover 4 additional shapes of the same scale. How does it work? It's simple. The shape we played earlier had the notes C, D, E, G, and A. The next shape begins with the note D, D, E, G, A, and C. The following shape starts with the note E, E, G, A, C, D, and so on. By doing the same thing, you will discover the most important shape that appears in many of your favorite songs. It starts on the 5th note of the scale, which in this case is A. The notes for this shape are A, C, D, E, and G. It's also called the minor pentatonic shape, but I will explain more about that in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and catch the upcoming videos. Let's explore some exciting licks and riffs over the pentatonic scale. And also riffs like these. Now do you see how important this scale is? It's the key that unlocks the riffs and solos you've always wanted to play. Are there any other songs that you know of played using the pentatonic scale which I haven't mentioned in this video? Let me know in comments. It would be really helpful for me to get an idea of the songs you like. If you would like to know more about me and my guitar journey, visit my website at www.rodrodriguez.net. Feel free to reach out for lessons as well.